Welcome back to this next part of session 5. Here we're going to discuss the StringBuilder class. The StringBuilder class is used to create a mutable or modifiable string. The Java StringBuilder class is the same as StringBuffer except it is non-synchronized, and it has been available since the Java Development Kit 1.5. So there are different constructors, meaning that StringBuilder is overloaded, and one time it takes no parameters, one time StringBuilder takes string, and another time it takes an integer. We see here without any kind of parameter, an empty string is created with the initial capacity of 16. If we pass in a string, we create a string builder with a specified string, and if we pass in an integer, it creates an empty builder with a specified capacity of the length of the integer that was passed in. So StringBuilder class comes with a series of methods. The append method is used to append a string, an existing string, with a specified string. The insert method inserts a string within a string at a specified place in the string, at a specified position within the string, and that position is passed in as an integer. The insert method is overloaded, so please take a look here at the different data types that can be used with insert. The replace method is used to replace a string from a specified start index to an end index. And again, please take a look at all of these methods that we can call on StringBuilder. The delete method can remove all or part of a string based on a starting index and an ending index. The reverse method is used to reverse a string. The capacity method is used to return the current capacity of the string. The ensure capacity is used to ensure the capacity is at least equal to a given minimum that's passed in as an integer. The character at character index is used to return the character of a specified position, so that's useful. Length is used to return the total number of characters. And substring is used to return a substring based on a character position that is passed in with the integer. So here's an example of StringBuilder's append method. So we can see here again we have our StringBuilder example, our main method, and we create a new string builder called SB, and we instantiate StringBuilder, and we pass in the string hello. Then we call append and append Java. So notice there is a space here. So as we can imagine, when we output this new value of SB, it will be prints hello Java, just like we see here. But please do key this in and try it just to get more familiar with it. Here's some comparisons on the differences between the string class and the StringBuffer class. So we can see here string class is immutable, where StringBuffer class is mutable. String is slow and consumes memory. StringBuffer is fast and consumes less memory. When you concatenate, the string is slow and consumes a lot of memory because new instances need to be created during concatenation. String class overrides equals methods of object class, so when you compare the contents of two strings, you have to use the equals method. StringBuffer doesn't override the equals method of the object class. There are also differences between the StringBuffer class and the StringBuilder class. So StringBuffer is synchronized or thread safe. It means two strings can't call the methods of StringBuffer simultaneously. StringBuilder is not synchronized, so it's not thread safe. It means two threads can call the methods of StringBuilder simultaneously, so just be aware of that. StringBuffer is less efficient than StringBuilder. StringBuilder is quite efficient and more efficient than StringBuffer. And please stay tuned for our next video continuing on Java strings.